We mentioned earlier that the most accurate part of your body is in fact your feet. Well, your legs also can reveal how you feel about the game and how you feel about yourself. And I know the question that's often said is, well, Joe, that's great, but in poker you can't see the feet. That's not accurate. In fact, most of the time you'll be able to see the feet of the people next to you. You'll be able to see their legs peripherally. You will also be able to see any activity with their feet or their legs, such as bouncing feet, because their shirt or their jackets will move as they bounce their feet. Which brings me to this. Well, why is it that some people bounce their feet or jiggle their feet the whole time? We do this, or a lot of people do this, because it's very comfortable. In fact, there's a term for this. It's called a pacifying behavior. It's something that we do, like strumming our fingers or playing with our hair, that allows us to calm down. And a lot of people do this by bouncing or jiggling their legs. So, if they're doing that, are they bluffing? That's not the question to ask. In fact, the question to ask is, when do they do this behavior? When do they bounce it? Is it all the time or just occasionally? But more importantly, when does it go away? If they're bouncing their feet all the time and they stop doing it, that's what's important. And one of the observations that we've learned is that players who normally bounce their legs as they're playing, when they bluff, tend to stop their legs from moving. And this is significant. So you establish the norm. And the norm is, for this individual, they're bouncing their leg all the time. And all of a sudden, they stop, especially after they've gone all in. Chances are they are bluffing. Why? Because the stopping of movement, this restraining of behavior, is part and parcel of what we previously talked about, which are these freeze reactions, these limbic reactions to stop movement when we are threatened. Why is he threatened? Because if he gets caught bluffing, he's out. Joe Navarro, former FBI special agent. I amplify. Do you?